Can I take a book? Okay, so we'll start this one. AP, GP you have not started, right? AP, GP not started? Last class to note to dekhava pariba. Last class what was done? This is right, no? Okay. So we'll just start AP and GP today. This is 1.3. That is arithmetic 1.3. For maths and statistics, right, it will take little more days. Because you are not free. So I talked to other teacher also. So ekidin okman just duitai pohai pelai, we'll just go ahead. Alright. Like other teachers, for us it's difficult because we are not free actually. So ekarone iman complete howa nai kinu, but don't worry. Eginot alop khoge pohabo laibo. So let's. So what is do you have any idea about arithmetic progressions? Arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence. It is called arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression. Same thing, same name, right? So do you have any idea what is arithmetic progressions? Agora poha ase, kar poha ase? Your and have you learned arithmetic progressions? You have learned? Agora poha nai. Class 10 or asile kintu. You had in class 10, right? Habo. Imane. So arithmetic progression. So if I just write numbers like this, side one a plus d, a plus 2d, right? So if I just write numbers like this is called arithmetic progressions. Why? Because if I just find the difference between the second term and first term, a cancel out is equal to what? D. And the difference between these two terms is d. Now difference between the next two terms, a plus 2d minus a, then difference of this term minus this, minus a minus d. A cancel out, 2d minus d is what? D, right? Second term minus first term is d, third term minus second term is d. Then what's the next term? A plus 3d. So third term minus second term, no, fourth term minus third term. Okay, again a cancel out, 3d minus 2d, etc. So it will follow towards the whole pattern, right? So this is called a general etuk ki koi, a gutei sequence to koi. This is called general AP. This is a standard form. This is standard form. This is standard form of AP. What is this called? This term of ki boli koi? First term to get koi first term. Now what is D called? D2 eta naam ase. What is the name of D? D2 whole common difference. D whole common difference or A2 first term. A D2 te dekhisa. Every time you are getting DD, right? Hetu karone hetu common difference. Hetu koi common difference. Right. Okay. So if I just give you example 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is an example of AP. Kele? Why this is an AP? 2, 4, 6, 8, dot. Why this is an AP? Kya? Because common difference is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 8 minus 6, it will continue the pattern. Throughout the terms, how many terms you write, you have to follow the same pattern. It should not be like this. The Gataman term, it will follow this pattern. Some other terms will not follow this pattern. In that case, it cannot be an AP. Okay. Now, what is how to write the nth term of an AP? At a AP, nth term can you how do you write nth term of an AP? So that's not difficult. Silva. First term to can A. Second term to how you have written? Second minus 2. Second term how you have written A plus D. Every time if you observe the pattern, right? So what A ase. Second term of D keta thake eta 1D. Third term of D, how many D's are there? 2. Fourth term of keta D ase? 3. Fifth term of keta thakibo? 4. 1 less, always 1 less. Fifth term of D keta thakibo? Fifth term of 4. Sixth term of 5. Seventh term of 6. It will continue. then nth term keta thakibo n minus 1. So therefore nth term is very simple. Nth term we write like this an. Nth term symbol is an. So keneke likhim sobote a ase ekane tatu a thakibo aru d keta thakibo oda eta kom n, the term is n, so number of d will be 1 less than n minus n, so it will be n minus d. So it is very important formula, just note down. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That's a formula for nth term. Right. Next, right? So sum of n terms in an AP. At a AP, you have to sum up to n terms. Keneki sum koriba? How do you sum up? Mane add. How do you add the numbers? Addition formula is this: Sn. S stand for sum. How do you add? N by 2 twice a n minus 1 into d. Mona rakhiba. This is the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the Sn formula. Okay. Or we have another formula Sn n by 2 a plus an. You can use this formula or this formula. Sum up to nth term, right? It whole, if you are adding 100 terms, for example, you are adding 100 terms, that is like 100 by 2, 2 into first term plus this will be 100 minus 1 into d. D you can find out what is the common difference. Or you want to use this formula, tar karone tumi ki janibo lage, first term to janibo lage aru last term to janibo. An mane last term. First term plus last term multiplied by n is the number of terms divided by 2. So this, did you note down this formula? Likhila, right? Likhilo. So at a question kora, find the sum. Okay. Find the sum. 1 plus 3 plus 5 dot to n terms. Up to n terms. One plus 3 plus 5 up to n terms. What will be the sum? Korila? Okay. So how to sum up these numbers, right? First of all, d to find kora. D 3 minus 1, d to whole 2, right? Now thing is that if you want to sum up, ইয়াতে কেইটা টার্মস আছে টু n টার্মস লৈকে সাম কৰিবলৈ দিছে সো sn হল sn n লৈকে সাম কৰিবলৈ দিছে সো n/2 right 2 into a a মানে ফার্স্ট টার্ম plus n to n hobo kile n to n hobo because you are adding up to n terms n minus 1 into d n minus 1 into d d2 hoise a2 d is 2 done is it okay right now this 2 and this 2 you can take common jodi 2 to common loa ki hobo n/2 2 to bahirot ahi jabo bhitor thakibo 1 plus n minus 1 right a2 2 or a2 I have taken out bracket of bhitor loi bahirot loi anile to bracket of bahirot ahi gol a2 2 katibo pariba a2 1 katibo pariba right okay so ki hobo n into n square so we'll be getting the answer as n square whole done okay next question find the sum two plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 to 50 terms লৈকে sum কৰা কিমান হ'ব done পাৰিলা okay 2 4 6 8 up to 50 terms right s50 হ'ব s50 দিয়া আছে 50/2 2 into a মানে কিমান 2 plus n minus 1 মানে 50 n is 50 so 50 minus 1 49 into okay n minus 1 into d 2 hobo done so 50/2 25 2 is here also 2 you can take out so 2 plus 49 hobo 2 you can cancel out 50 into 51 right so is equal to 0 5 2550 তুমি যেনেকেই কৰা whatever you do multiplications is up to you you can just divide 50/2 25 you can just multiply 2 to the 4 49 into 2 right the moment you take common like it calculation becomes easier is it done 2550 yeah because here questions are mixed up AP GP question mixed হৈ আছে সেইকাৰণে will just learn the GP also তাৰপিছত question কৰিম
sir sir
yes
sir to ইটো মেথডত কৰিলে আনসাৰটো বেলেগ ওলাব নেকি ওলাব
just minute yes
এইটো ইটো মেথডত যদি মানে ফৰ্মুলাটো যদি ইটো লগাও মানে ইটো ইউজ কৰো
yeah
তো আনসাৰটো একে হ'ব নে বেলেগ হ'ব
একে ওলাব which formula কোনটো ফৰ্মুলা কথা কৈছা
n/2
a plus n right no
yes sir
You are talking about this formula, right? No?
Yes, sir.
ঠিক আছে সেইটো it will be same, right? Same. কিন্তু এটা কথা এই কুৱেশ্যনটোত এইটো কুৱেশ্যনত উই ডু নট ন' দ্য 50th টাৰ্ম তুমি ওলাই ল'ব লাগিব 50 টাৰ্মটো ওলাই ল'ব লাগিব 50 টাৰ্ম নাই দিয়া নহয় ইয়াতে
sir, 50 to term,
50 to 50 নহয় 50 নাম্বাৰ নহয় এইটো 50 নাম্বাৰ নহয় up to 50 terms এইটো 50 not number, right? Could you follow?
Thank you, sir.
তো মই কৰি দিছোঁ চোৱা এইটো 50 টাৰ্ম তুমি চোৱা যদি এনেকৈ দিলেহেঁতেন চোৱা লুক 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 50 যদি এনেকৈ দিয়ে then we will understand last term is 50, right? Could you follow this? আৰু যদি এনেকৈ থাকে যদি এনেকৈ থাকে যে to 50th term, so then we do not know the last term. Last term is 50 number of term, so we have to find the 50th term. So 50th term here jodi 50th term to ulabo pura a50. A50 is a plus n minus 1 into d. Hetu hobo. So a mane hol 2, right? N minus 1 a2. N minus 1 mane 50 minus 1 49 into d. D is what? 2. So 2 plus 49 into 2 kiman hol? So 98, right?
98.
So 98 plus 2 kiman hobo 98 plus 2 100. So last term is 100. So last term to be 100 etu eneke jodi kora soa etu 50 by 2 first term whole 2 and last term kiman 100 etia say you will get the same answer. A plus n by 2 first term plus last term. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Hello. ভিতৰত নাই নেকি আৰু নাই ন না ৰোলটো যে আছিলে কি হ'ল অলপ যে আছিলে সেইটো হ'ব লৈ লোৱা আকৌ ওপৰত তুমি হেৰি কৰোঁতে আমি নালাগিব জানো ৰোল এক বাণ্ডেল লওঁতেতো গোটেইখিনিতে এক বাণ্ডেল নালাগে চাগে ন হ'ব তেনেকুৱা এটা সৰু এটা লৈ লোৱা হ'ব মই ক্লাছ শুনা 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 হাছিম হাছিম মই ক্লাছ কৰি আছোঁ তুমি লোৱাচোন হ'ব তুমি অকণ পিছত ফোন কৰিবা হ'ব অকণ পিছত তুমি এতিয়া কম লৈ লোৱা অলপ কম লৈ লোৱা হ'ব হেল্ল' তুমি চোৱাচোন পোৱা নোপোৱা ন তাত কিমান মিটাৰ থাকিব ন ইমানখিনিতো নালাগে এতিয়া ন নেকি হ'ব 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 okay now next geometric mean right ar square ar n minus 1 so if I write sequence like this ar square up to ar n minus 1 right so this is called geometric sequence kele geometric sequence koi yate ki korim etia The previously we are subtracting second, first, third, second like this. Eta ki korim? Divide korim. Second term first day divide kora. Kiman paba? R. Tabisot same method, only divide. Instead of subtraction, divide. AR square to me AR divide kora. Kiman paba? R. Here pisor term to ki hoy? AR cube hobo. So fourth term took AR cube divided by AR square. It will be R, etc. What I are paba? So what is this R called? Ki kom R to? Common difference no hoy. Difference mane minus. Or division mane ratio. It's a common ratio. Etu koi common ratio. Right? Etu kobo common ratio. Done? Common ratio. AR by A, AR square by AR cube by AR square, R common ratio. Right? One example this is what? 1 half square 1 by 4, 1 by 8. So this is an example of geometric sequence. Keneke hobo pare? 1 comma half comma 1 by 4 comma 1 by 8 comma dot. Why it is a geometric sequence? Common ratio is half. Silo common ratio kiman? Half hoy na hoy. So first term, how did you get the second term? Just multiply 1 by half. It half pala. How did you get the third term? Ako half di multiply kora. You got 1 by 4. How did you get 1 by 8? Third term multiply by half. Kilege? Third term 1 by 4 ase. If you multiply by half, you get 1 by 8. So it will continue like this. Therefore, this is called GP. How do you get a GP? So here is Sailwa. How did you get a second term? If you multiply the first term by R. This one, you multiply this one by R. So every term, just to get the next term, multiply the preceding term. When agor term took to me the RD multiply kora, you get the next term. Every time it will follow the same pattern. The number by which you multiply, it's called common ratio. Here tell me, how did you get half? By multiplying 1 by half. So therefore common ratio is half. But me two method division method. You can just go about division method. You will get the same thing. Kyo? Second term to kiman ase? What is the second term? Half. If you divide it by 1. Division by 1 is meaningless. It will become half only. So hekane. Second term by first term you got half. So here how do you second term by first term you got R. This is called common ratio. This half also got common ratio. To me divide kobo dorkare nai. Just multiply the first term by a number to get the second term. So by what number you multiply, this is called what? Common ratio. Is it done? Okay. Now next, is it okay? Buji paisa? Next, did you note down this? Etu likhila? Okay. Next. So sum up to n terms. Sum up to n terms. Okay. Sum up to n terms Sn. Sn to hobo okay, a into r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. This is called sum up to n terms in an GP, or Sn a 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. Right? It to call Sn a into 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. Right? Either this formula or this formula you can use it. Hold. Yeah, note down the formulas. Hold. Then let's start the questions. Right? Illustration 52 to start kora. Illustration 52, 52. Hello. Per kg কিমান? নহয় per kg কিমান? 130 টকা। কিমান কেজি আছে তাত? 950 কিমান মিটাৰ আছে তাত? 40 মিটাৰমান ওলাবনে 40 মিটাৰ পিছত তোমাক সব গোটেইখিনি কাম হৈ যাব ওপৰৰ কাম সব দিবি হ'ব দিয়া এইটো উপায় নাই এইটো তুমি 100 টকা মানে 100K নলয় নেকি 100K চোৱাচোন কিমান বুলি কৈছে তুমি ট্ৰাই কৰি চোৱা 110 টকাকৈ হ'ব দিয়া লৈ ল'বা হ'ব তুমি পে' কৰি দিবা মই পে' কৰি আছোঁ তোমাক হ'ব তুমি মোক খালি হেৰি দি দিবা এইটো দি দিলে হ'ল হ'ব তুমি 110 কোৱালিটি চোৱা ট্ৰাই কৰি চোৱা হ'ব illustration 10 কৰিছা illustration no not illustration 10 illustration 52 find the sum of the first 9 terms of the series etu page number 42 pala okay illustration 52 illustration 52 find the sum of first 9 terms of the series 5 10 20 40 5 10 20 40 80 right 20 40 80 20 40 80 come on down 9 terms so 5 into 2 10 10 into 2 20 20 into 4 2 40 40 into 2 80 so therefore it is a GP right is it GP first you need to decide that it is GP or AP it AP anyone hoy 10 minus 5 is kiman 5 20 minus 10 is 10 so difference is not same so it's not an AP GP so here R is equal to kiman 10 by 5 equal to 2 common ratio is 2 so tomak SN lage S kiman 9 terms S9 right S9 ki asile formula A mane 5 R mane whole 5 2 to the power 9 minus 1 hobo etu formula asile so Sn equal to A R to the power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1 etu bahai joa A mane whole 5 R mane whole 2 aru n mane whole you are adding 9 terms so 2 to the power 9 minus 1 divided by R minus 1 R mane whole this is 2 minus 1 2 minus 1 is 1 so just ignore the denominator ekko nai 5 okay 2 to the power 9 2 to the power 9 mane 512 minus 1 okay 5 into 511 multiply kora right 5 5 5 5 is 25 2 5 2 triple 5 whole 2 triple 5 yeah so just do this exercise question number 1 etu kora if mth term of an AP is 1 by n page number 43 exercise with hints that was question number 1 if mth term of an AP is 1 by n and nth term is 1 by m so that the first term is equal to the common difference calculation this calculations could you follow na 5 to the power n minus 1 ebilak monot thakibo lagibo ba নহলে calculation kori loba to the power 9 to kiman hobo right ebilak common number kane monot thake aru to the power 9 to the power 5 to the power 6 ebur common number e hoy minus 1 so otherwise you have calculators so you can use the calculator in exams right no ile calculator kori loba to the power 9 ho to the power 9 to pencil likhisa je okay but well, you can take borrow from pen. Pen, tomorrow extra pen nahi niki. You don't have extra pen. Okay. Is equal to likha 5 to the power 9 whole 512. 2 to the power 9 means 2 into 2 into 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 you are multiplying 9 times. So 2 say 4 times if you multiply, it's 16, right? 16 into 2, 32. Again 13, 2 into 2, 64. 64 into 2, 128. 128 into 2. Okay, then 256. 256 into 2. Okay, 512. So 2 you have to multiply. Keep multiplying 2. So 512. Now, okay. So, ki koise question dot ki koise. So, if mth term of an AP is 1 by n and nth term, so you are comfortable with English? Buji poa bhalke. You are comfortable with English? Huh? You? Yeah. But like don't hide anything, right? The thing is that like here, I think is that you need to understand, right? It's a professional course, so there is no compulsion. So you can ask doubts, right? Not necessarily, right? One you can understand, one you may not understand. So it's not college classes, right? So everyone aim is different. So definitely we can point out, na? Kole hol je sare tumu keneki hikai dio. Hoi gol, eko problem nahi. So look, if mth term of an AP is 1 by n and nth term is 1 by m. Ki boli koise so? Prothom dia ase tomak. So these are very important questions. Ebilak, ha? Tomak dia ase am. Mane mth term is 1 by n. Eboli dia ase. Right? Aru nth term to ulta. Nth term to hoise ki? Dia ase na? According to the question. Ekdom follow the question. Dia ase mth term is 1 by m. Mth term 1 by n, nth term 1 by m. Yate m hole, yate n hole, yate m. Right? So now just write the formula for am. am of formula likha. Ki hubo am of formula? A plus m minus 1 into d, right? Done? Similarly, write the formula for nth term. What is the formula for nth term? Nth term formula kiman? A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 1 by m. Right? Now subtract. So see, yata student a pen ana nai, pen ki pencil di hoy ase, pen ase? Na class hole hai pen nai. Pani eta loiso ha? Nai kobat ase. Take. Look. This is 1. This is 2, right? 1, 2. Now subtract. 1 minus 2. Ekor pra 2 minus kor diya, right? If I subtract, so do, see, yate ki korsu? A plus m minus 1d. Yate a plus n minus 1d. So if I subtract, I'll subtract left hand side. So if I subtract this a and this a will get cancelled out. So yate ki thakibo? m minus 1d minus. Yate ki thakibo? n minus 1d. Hobo? Thakibo? Right side also you have to subtract. Right side keneke subtract korim? 1 by n. Etu first hobo, then etu second. Right? You could follow, I think. Eta pa eta minus korso, bas imane kotha. So now, remove the bracket. Ki hobo? md minus d. Yate ki hobo? nd minus plus d. Aru yate LCM lom. LCM lole m aru n or LCM hole men. Aru yate m to yata hibo, n to yat jabo. Hol? Hobo? Yate dd kati diya. তাৰপিছত MD আৰু ND, what is common? D common. Whole M minus N, right? So M minus N is left hand side, M minus N is right hand side. It will get cancelled out. It will cancel jabo. Therefore D value you got Mn. It's important. It will jabo saba. D value you got the value of D. D is equal to how much? 1 by Mn. Step 2 buji pala nai sof. See from the beginning. Beginning ot ki korilu. D asile mth term 1 by n, nth term 1 by m. Bas. Then I have written mth formula, mth term formula. I have written that side nth term formula. Then marking this is equation 1, equation 2. Then subtracting. Subtract kora pisot ki hol? A got cancelled out. Then you have removing the brackets. Like bracket remove kore dd got cancelled out. So it's md minus nd is equal to m minus n. Yet if I just take LCM mn, it will be m minus n. M minus n got cancelled out. So d is equal to 1 by mn. Okay, done. It is answer to nai hua. Just half of the answer is done. Half part is left out. Right, so we are to show that common difference and what you have to show that first term and common difference both are same. Okay, and what is the first term? A. We have to show that A is equal to D, right? Okay, so I'll just find out the first term now. Here the first term also dekhisa, right? So we'll just use equation 1. Continue. 1 implies, okay, A plus m minus 1. So what is the value of D? D value kiman? Etu pala imatto 1 by mn is equal to kiman? Etu 1 by n, right? Okay, now, okay, look, A plus, I'll just remove the bracket. Bracket remove korle ki hobo? M and 1 by mn I have to multiply. M into 1 by mn minus, I have to remove the bracket. 1 by mn I have to multiply 2 times. Ebar m or logot koribo lagibo, ebar 1 or logot. So minus 1 by mn equal to 1 by n. Done. A to m or A to m cancel hol. Ki palo? A plus 1 by n minus 1 by mn equal to 1 by n. ধৰিব পাৰিছা নাই? Like, are you catching up? বুজি নাই পোৱা যদি কৈ দিয়া। তুমি ধৰিব পাৰিছা নাই? সঁচা? Okay. So now এটা কি কৰিবা? 1 by n আৰু 1 by n cancel কৰি দিম। হ'ব? Right? 1 by n cancel কৰি দিম। তাৰপিছত কি হ'ব? Okay. So this is equal to A কি পালা? A value 1 by mn, অকমান আগতে D value কি পাইছিলা? 1 by mn. Therefore A is equal to D. Done. এবোৰ প্ৰেক্টিস লাগিব কিন্তু যদি আগৰ পৰা প্ৰেক্টিস কৰি থকা নাই তো প্ৰেক্টিস হা। So next yeah, there are certain questions which are very standard questions or সদায় সেইবিলাক সুধিয়ে থাকে questions হা। এইটো এটা question. Then the page number 44, question number 3, এইবোৰ পুৰা জানিব লাগিব পৰীক্ষাৰ কাৰণে। Right. কি কৈছে? If P, Q and Rth term of an AP are A, B, C, show that this is equal to 0. Huh? এটা P আৰু Q আৰু R term to লিখি লোৱা। Start kora ako. So right, this is P, Q and R terms and every ABC. This side P term মানে AP, right? This is P term, right? P term of AP, AP दिया है P, Q, R term ABC. Okay, here दिया है AP is equal to A, right? P term is A, right? So what is nth term formula? जाना nth term formula किमान in AP A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So we using the same formula. যদি n থাকে A plus n minus 1 D, যদি AP থাকে কি হবো A plus P minus 1 D. बस just replace n by P. এতিয়া so right hand side already A is used, one symbol A is used. So ইয়াতে nth term লিখোতে A to U cannot use. A you cannot use two times. Therefore in place of A will be using another symbol. So small a holoni capital A use kori dia. N minus 1 মানে P minus 1 into D. Pala? This is equation 1. একদম same formula লিখছো A plus n minus 1 into D. ইয়াতে P আছে P minus 1 into D. Do not write A. Here already A is used, so use another symbol A. Right? Then next one is Q. AQ is equal to kiman? AQ is equal to B. So AQ to ki hobo A plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to B. This is 2. Tarpisot AR equal to C. A plus A mane capital A, R minus 1 into D is equal to C. Okay? This is 3. Done. So you got ABC value. So now left hand side equivalent. So we just got these values. Left hand side, so left hand side क्या है? देखो Q minus RA, Q minus RA, Q minus R, R minus PB, P minus Q. Next page is correct. You have written this? Next page is correct. Left hand side. P minus, no, not P minus Q, I think, right? It is Q minus Q minus R, right? Q minus RA, Q R minus P, B, plus P minus Q, C. It will be right? P minus Q, C, R minus P, D, right? Done. It will be answer. So this you have to show this is equal to 0. So Q minus R. A value just now we got. What is the value of A? Side Y. A value kiman ase? A value is this. It is side Y. A to A value. A value is this. A plus P minus 1 into D. Just substitute this. Okay. A plus P minus 1 into D. Just substitute for all. Then R minus P. R minus P, you don't need to do anything. आपको B value लिखा. B value whole A plus R minus 1 into D. Then you write P minus Q, likha C value. C value is A plus this is P R Q. Yeah. Just put the value of ABC. But two questions open calculation hoboy. Calculation could be little big, right? So to iman easy hobo no na. Done. So if you just multiply Korea, so all the terms will get cancelled out. Here to be iman multiply because unnecessary it will take time. There are certain pattern or some shortcuts are follows. Can I have shortcut kori media? Jodi tumi gutti hopa multiply kori jabole joa, it will take time. Exam iman homan yakwa tumi. Sai loa. Etu term dekhisa. Etu term dekhisa. Etu term dekhisa. These are similar terms. Etu term will write first. Etu term. This term. Etu term of A common, etu term of A common, etu term of A common. So we will take A common. Lole ki hobo Q minus R, yat hobo R minus P, yat hobo P minus Q. Done. Hol. Tomar dekhon eta duta tinta term likha hoy gol. Done. Tar benefit to ki tar pisor term to ase etu term aru etu term likhibole ase ha. Just even not written. Etu term likha karone ki benefit holso R P Q cancel out. So 0 into A. 0 by second term. So second term mane opal not this term. Mane rakhiba this Q minus R is multiplied with this and this also. Etu logot etu multiply hoy ase. Etu logot etu multiply, this logot this multiply. If you multiply Q minus R, P minus 1 into D, that D common, here to D common, here to D common. So by D common. Right? D common what will be left out? Q minus R into P. Q minus R over P minus 1 plus second term here key common thakibo R minus P R minus P R minus 1 R minus P R minus 1 B term to side on B term Q minus 1 yes etu Q minus 1 hobo lage etu Q minus 1 aru etu second R minus 1 hobo lage etu R mane etu yes etu R minus 1 hobo lage this one last term etu R minus 1 hobo lage yeah so this will be R minus P Q minus 1 and last term hobo lage P minus Q aru R minus 1 yes done it will be A into 0 aru D technically যদি তুমি multiply করে just multiply করে দিয়া it will become 0 এখানে at the last তুমি এখানে multiply কৰিবই লাগিব এখানে Q minus R ইয়াতে Q minus R P minus 1 R minus P Q minus 1 P minus Q R minus 1 এখানে multiply কৰিবই লাগিব লেখা আছে নরমাল দাও question দেখিবলে ভয় খালে নহব খালি হা you have to be familiar with questions question লগত যেতিয়া familiar hoba then only you will get marks all okay so next eta ba duta class lagibo so I'll just because মই কেটামান question homework দি দিছো হা you will try at home right hobo question 4 this is page number 44 question 4 question 6 question 7 question 8 question 11 question 12 this question you will try at home hobo did you mark it korila mark this question you will try at home tapa time and distance poham olop pohai time and distance poham next class then set theory hol hobo we'll wind up okay yeah thank you kundu hobo eko nai no problem কাৰণ এবিলাক তো MCQ হে right So MCQs you can follow any method, right? Hobo? Huh? Amar purpose to hoise jiman easy ke pari, fotafot ami answer ulabo lage, right?